the ultimate beard boss. A free 7-in-1 grooming kit for men. The ultimate beard boss. Ufree 7-in-1 grooming kit for men.
Gentlemen, it's time to ditch the weak trimmers that pull, tug, and leave you looking half done. The Ufree Beard Trimmer is your all-in-one manscaping machine, featuring 7 trimmer heads and 11 guide combs to tackle beards, mustaches, hair, nose, and even down there. With high-performance stainless steel blades, you get a close, irritation-free trim every single time.
Say goodbye to patchy beards and hello to precision grooming that's smooth, sharp, and effortless.
One trimmer, endless styles, because a well-groomed man is an unstoppable man.
Ever dreamed of trimming in the shower without the mess? Well, dream no more. With an IPX7 waterproof rating, this trimmer lets you clean up in comfort, wet or dry. And when you're done, just rinse it under the faucet for instant cleanup. No more clogged up razors or gunky blades.
Made from solid metal with an ergonomic grip, this beast is heavy-duty yet sleek, fitting like a glove in your hand.
Forget flimsy plastic trimmers, this one's built to last, just like your legendary grooming routine. Tired of trimmers that die mid-shave, leaving you with half a beard and a whole lot of regret?
The Ufree Grooming Kit packs a powerful rechargeable battery that delivers 150 minutes of trimming on a single charge.
And if you're in a rush? A 90-minute fast charge via USB-C gets you back in action, no matter where you are.
Whether you're traveling, at the gym, or just too busy to babysit a charger, this trimmer is ready when you are. Plus, the LCD battery display keeps you in the know, so you're never caught off guard. If you're serious about looking sharp without the hassle, this is the only trimmer you'll ever need. It's affordable, heavy-duty, waterproof, travel-friendly, and packed with features that make grooming easier, faster, and better. Stop settling for subpar trimmers that barely get the job done, upgrade to Ufree today and own your look like a true boss.